Hello guys, this is Candy here and we're going to show these new toys from Sonic.
Kennedy got some new toys her sister brought her. These are the newest toys at Sonic. They are Teen Titans Go. And Kennedy is a big Teen Titans fan. Show us what you got, Kennedy.
I got Starfire's bracelet.
And this is Starfire's bracelet. It glows. She's got it turned on.
This is Beast Boy's ear.
We got Beast Boy's ears. This is one. Where's the other one? Beast Boy's ears. They go on your ear. And what else did you get?
Robin's glasses. Let me show you.
Okay. She's going to show you Robin's glasses. Let's see. Wow, that is cool.
It doesn't glow.
No, they don't glow. Do you like these?
Yeah. We'll see Starfire's bracelet could glow in the dark room.
Okay, she wants to go in the dark and see if it's glowing. Is it? It sure is.
Look at me, guys. Oh, look.
You look funny. I love it. You got Robin's glasses, Beast Boy's ears, and Starfire's bracelet. You are a Teen Titan.
Yeah. A Teen Titans fan.
You are a Teen Titans fan. You want to tell everybody thanks for watching?
Yeah. Thanks for watching our video. Bye. Hello guys, this is Kitty here, and we're going to open some surprise eggs. Let's get started. It's Pinkie Pie. She's from My Little Pony. Who's this? I think it's Cinderella. It is. Oh. What's this? It's a train. Okay. It's a sock.
Sock.
It could fit on your feet.
You're silly. Yep, it's a sock.
Like this. Now, let's show it to the camera.
Yep.
I think it's George in here. It is George. is it? It's Pluto. Oops. Yeah. Who is it? It's a little wispy head. It goes on the base. It's another long wispy head. It goes on the base. Who is it? I see it. It's a Hello Kitty square on the page. Is that right, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
No.
What?
Is this right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's put it behind the little wispy.
You lined your stuff up.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
This is another Hello Wispy. I mean, this is not Hello Wispy.
Hello Kitty.
This is another Hello Kitty. And she goes on the base.
Mm.
Is this right?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No, that's upside down.
Is this right?
Mm-hmm. You tried to trick me.
Okay. Thanks for watching our video. Woohoo! Bye! Yeah. Is
Okay.
it on?
Yes, ma'am. Are you going to ask me some questions?
Yep.
All right. Kennedy's going to ask me and see if I know some of these Shopkins.
Okay.
And she changed clothes. Look, she's got long sleeves on. She's so silly. Okay, who is the first one?
Fifi flower.
Oh, well, you're supposed to ask me.
Okay. What's this, Mama?
Fifi flower. Because you told me. Don't tell me. I have to try to guess.
What is it?
I don't know what that is.
Let me tell you.
What is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? I don't think it's chocolate.
I don't feel the ear.
Okay, show me another one. This is Pancakes. Pamela Pancakes. Is that her name?
Yeah.
Pamela Pancakes.
What's this?
This one has Play-Doh on it, but it is Lana Lamp.
But we don't have Play-Doh.
Well, this has got Play-Doh on it.
I know where the Play-Doh is.
Yeah, we're not going to get it.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, it's up there.
And Play-Doh Mountain.
Yeah, Play-Doh Mountain.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Who is this? This is...
Hey.
Who is this? It's an avocado.
Avocado.
Is it Dippy?
Dippy avocado.
Dippy avocado. Okay.
What's this?
This is Toffee Coffee. Is that right?
Yep.
And I know this because this is one that I had to purchase that we didn't have. Oh, and this is a tart, but I don't know its name.
Tardy, tardy.
Tardy, tardy. I don't think it's tardy, tardy. I forget its name.
I know.
What?
Tart.
I don't know. We'll have to look that one up. All right, what's another one? Uh-oh. Is this Rainbow Bite?
Yeah.
Ah, it is. And this is a new one. It's
Wild carrot.
wild carrot. Okay. Lisa Litter. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I don't really know this one. Is your nose itching? This is pasta. What is this? Fosta? I don't know. It's
Pasta.
something like that. Something like that. All right, two more. I don't know this one. This is a little broom, though. Do you know its name?
Broomy.
Broomy Broomy. That works. I don't think it's the correct name, though. What's another one? Okay, this is like Mishy Mushy Mushy Mushroom or something like that. Miss Mushy. What is this one?
Miss Mushy.
I don't know. I think it's like Miss something.
Miss Mushy. Okay? We don't have one Shopkins.
What is this?
A
This is a
minion.
minion. Who is this? Is this? This is not Dave, is it?
Nope.
Well, who is it?
It got 2 eyes.
Well, yeah, it's got 2 eyes. Who is this little guy?
I don't know.
You don't know? Anybody know? Oh, she's sneezing over there. All right, what else do you got? We have a La Loopsy girl. Dinah. Is this Dynamite?
Dynamite.
I think it is. Oh, that's too close. This is Sizzles. I know who's
Sizzle, sizzle.
Sizzles is an iron. This is one of our new ones, Noni Notebook. This camera does not want to focus. You hear the refrigerator making ice? Okay, oh, this
No,
is...
it's not making ice, it's making water.
Oh, it's making water. This is Cinder's slippers. And cheesecake.
We got 2 more.
2 more. Okay. I don't know this thing. What is this thing? It's like a pot. Pot of peas? I don't know. What is that?
No,
Is it a pie?
basket.
It's a basket, she says. I don't really know what this is. I forget. And then this is a shoe. Is this Promi?
Yep. No, it's these.
We already did Lisa Litter. The litter, stinky, stinky litter box.